If you are looking for an AI image generator that creates high quality images and handles text inside images better than most competitors, you have probably heard about Ideogram. In this review, I will cover its key features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Ideogram? Ideogram is an AI image generation platform that turns text prompts into images. It gained popularity because of its ability to generate accurate text within images, something many AI image generators have traditionally struggled with. It's commonly used for logo concepts, social media graphics, marketing materials, posters and advertisements, t shirt designs, digital art, and illustrations. Key features: excellent text rendering. Ideogram's biggest strength is generating readable text inside images. Whether you are creating posters, banners, or social media graphics, the text usually looks much more accurate compared to many competitors. High quality image generation. The platform produces detailed and visually appealing images across different styles, including realistic, artistic, cinematic, and 3D designs. Magic Prompt automatically improves your prompt by adding more detail, helping you get better results. Image editing and remixing. You can edit existing images, change specific elements, and generate variations based on images you have already created. Fast generation. Image creation is generally quick, making it useful for creators who need content on a regular basis. Pros: excellent text generation inside images, user friendly interface, high quality image outputs, fast image generation, useful for marketing and branding projects. Good variety of artistic styles. Cons: some advanced features require a paid plan. Results may still need occasional editing, less flexible than some professional design software. Generated images can sometimes be inconsistent with complex prompts. Pricing: Ideogram offers a free plan for casual users, while paid plans provide faster generation speeds, higher usage limits, and additional features for professional creators. The exact pricing may change over time, so it is best to check the official website for the latest plans. Final verdict: so is Ideogram worth it? For most users, the answer is yes. Ideogram stands out because of its excellent text rendering, high quality image generation, and beginner friendly experience. If you create social media graphics, marketing materials, logos, or print on demand designs, it is one of the best AI image generators available today. However, if you need advanced image editing or complete design control, you may still want to combine it with tools like Photoshop or Canva. Overall, Ideogram is powerful and easy to use AI image generator that delivers impressive results and is definitely worth trying in 2026. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.